between February 1692 and 4 years old brought before the jury. I know something was wrong, you must be the woman is financially comfortable, speak a language that wasn't your own, you were instead of practicing black magic, she would be put in front on what made someone on random general facts.
Kailan exam?
Wala pa sinabi kailan exam. Welcome to the Wika Maya! Kasama si Bettina! Yung dalawang pugang! Si McLaren. Si best friend. Si Stephen. Okay everyone, update. Let them cancel. Sa group namin ni Shane. Kasi, some sort of emergency. So, nakatambay na lang kami doon. And waiting kami ma-dismiss. Wala, hindi ko dala inhaler ko. Nakakainis. Baon ako ng Hyro. Pag naguto, meron din akong, ano tawag yun? Hansel, pero nakain ko na siya.
Ba't kasi may dasakal ganyan?
Gusto ko talaga siya pahirapan. Ako yung pahirapan. Giso like manual. Init.
Ang init? Hindi mo na gumagana?
Init.
Kami na nga.
Electric pa namin. Say hi to my vlog. So what's up in this game show? Meron po tayong isang guest here. What is her name? So meron po tayong bag dito from video na sponsor. Paghulaan niyo po kung anong laman. At paghulaan niyo po, meron po kayong 10,000 pesos. So ano sa inyo? Saan naman yung bag? Ref? Final answer? Final answer.
Di pa. Uy! Ulit, ano mo? Sure ka ba?
Sure na po yan. Yung paano? Microwave.
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 Uy!
Are you very sure? Yes. Microwave daw. Microwave na ba? Ano naman ang video tote bag?
Electric ba?
Electric fan with birth certificate. Microwave fan with washing machine. And electric fan with King ko Bilaway.
Kanina ba yan? Sino may-ari niyan?
Mayor Vicky. Anong gusto nyo guys? Iko naman. 3. Walang 3. Ay, ano meron yan?
Ayan. Ngayon, nagkakantuhan na sila. Nagkakantuhan. Na. Hi, Ate.
Yung